Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you my Swiss Army knife right here. I'm going to be doing a sharpness test with a piece of paper and a paper plate. Okay. Alright, I have two knives on here. I have the big knife and the little knife. Right now, first I'm going to be using the big knife. I mean, the knife is pretty sharp, but sometimes it doesn't like to work for me. Alright. That one wasn't too good. Alright, now I'm going to use the, actually, hold on. Before we start that, I'll use the big knife for the paper plate test. Alright, here we go. Dang it, let me get it on there. Clean right now. Alright, put the blade away. Pull out my little knife. Mine look nice and cute and everything, but it's pretty sharp. Alright, look at that. See you back so you can see me. With the paper plate. Look at that, straight down, straight. Boom. Okay, now it's a little bit hard. Boom. 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 So yeah, I recommend do get the Swiss Army knife. It is pretty sharp. You could sharpen it up a little bit, but it's already pretty sharp itself. I mean, my grandma bought this knife from me about a few years ago, and I never really used it, but it's pretty sharp. So, all right, see you later. Deuces.